How to schedule food order on Uber Eats. So first of all, launch Uber Eats application. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then you can choose upon any restaurants from where you want to order food. Choose a food item you wish to order. Then once added, tap on View Basket. Now, once you have seen all your order total, you would have to tap on Go to Checkout. From here, make sure that you add a payment method or voucher code if you have one. After entering, just go back. Now once you come here, you can see delivery time. If you want to schedule, tap on Schedule option. Now, from here, choose your preferred date and time in order to schedule food on Uber Eats. Then all you would have to do is tap on Schedule. Now after this, all you would have to do is proceed with checkout and make a payment on your Uber Eats account. So that's how simply you could schedule your food on Uber Eats. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.